Welcome back. We learned about the work manager and the states of the work manager. In this video, we'll learn about constraints. Constraints are conditions or requirements that you can apply to the work request to specify when and how the associated background task should be executed. Constraints help you control the circumstances under which a task should run. Let's start creating a constraint in the onCreate method. Create constraints object and make sure that you use constraints from AndroidX.work and not AndroidX.constraintLayout. Constraints equals to new constraints, and here I need to use the builder dot, and there are a lot of options. Set requires charging, add content URI, and other constraints. Before we specify in this example what is the constraint, constraints.builder method allows you to specify constraints for a request or the work request. You should start by creating a new instance of the constraints.builder in order to specify what is your constraint. Here I'll use set requires charging. This example, we're going to set the constraint that the task should only run when the device is charging. And setting requires charging passing through to this method indicates that the task will only execute when the device is connected to a power source and actively charging. Then I'll use the build method. Then I need to set and make use of the worker by using set constraints and passing the constraints object that we create here in the work request. Stop the application and run it again. And if you open the logcat, click on run the work manager, it's in queued but not executed. You can see in the logcat, if you specify taggy, which is the message, nothing is displayed. You are going to change the state of your device. If you look closer, you are on battery. You are not charging. And the work manager is set it to charging only. So I'll go and click on these three dots and go to the battery, select charging connection, AC, and battery status charging. If you change it to charging, you can see that the work manager execute the job and counts to 100,000. So I am changing the states of your battery to charging here. And the work manager include your task to count to 100,000. When the battery is connected to the charger, the app counts to 100,000. So this is the constraint. This is how we deal with constraints in Work Manager.